Hi everyone, Judy here. So I am a bit late because I prepared two lessons. The first one I prepared, it's already done, but then I remember that it's gonna be Halloween very soon. So I made another video just for the Halloween holidays. That's the reason why I am late in uploading my lesson for Wednesday, for today. But nevertheless, it's better late than never. So here are our lessons for today. Okay, we're going to talk about the All Souls Day. We're gonna talk about Halloween and some words and common conversations that you hear during these holidays. Okay, so let's start with this. Adlaw sa mga patay. Adlaw sa mga patay, it's All Souls Day. Okay. Adlaw sa mga santos. Adlaw sa mga santos, All Saints Day. Okay. Then next we have dead, it's patay. Patay. Alive, buhi. Buhi. Adlaw means day. Okay, adlaw sa mga blank, okay, adlaw sa mga patay or adlaw sa mga santos. Okay, sa adlaw it's day, sa is off, mga it's a plural indicator. Okay, souls is patay or kalag, and then santos it's saints. The next cemetery, we have cementerio. Cemetery, cementerio. Next, spirit, spiritu, espiritu. Soul, it's kalag, kalag. Ghost, spiritu. So just like the spirit, it's also spiritu. So spirit and ghost are all spiritu. Spirit from a different world. Dili, ingon, nato. Dili, ingon, nato. So it's a spirit not from our universe or from our world. Monster, ongo. Ongo. Skeleton, kalabira. Kalabira. Bones, bukog. Bukog. Coffin, lungon. Lungon. The next, flowers, we have bulak or buak. Candles, kandila, kandila. Moon, bulan or buwan. Next, fly, lupad, lupad. Black cat, itom nga iring. So itom is black, iring is cat. Shh. To run away, nidagan. Okay, nidagan. Hide, tago, tago. Makahadlok, scary. Okay, scary is makahadlok. Run, dagan. Okay, run, dagan. So these are the common conversations. We have Mouli ka igka adlaw sa patay. Mouli ka igka adlaw sa patay. Are you going home on All Souls Day? Or will you go home on All Souls Day? So we have mouli is to go home from the root word uli. Mouli, to go home. Ka is you. Igka. Igka here is like on. Adlaw sa patay is All Souls Day. Next, muuli ka sa inyong probinsya or city? Will you go home to your province or city? So, muuli ka sa inyong probinsya or muuli ka sa inyong city? So, I just want you to know, guys, that Cebu City is not a province. Okay, it is a city. Because a lot of other Filipinos who are staying outside of Cebu City, that some of them would think that Cebu City is a province. Okay. Next, we have Kanus-a ka Mouli. When are you going home? Kanus-a ka Mouli. When are you going home? Kanus-a, it's when. Ka is you. Mouli, again, it's to go home. Next, we have MANAN-AW ta og ungo-ungo nga salida. MANAN-AW ta og ungo-ungo nga salida. Let's watch a horror movie. MANAN-AW ta og ungo-ungo nga salida. Let's watch a horror movie. Okay, MANAN-AW is to watch. Ta is a shortcut of kita, which means us. Og here is a connecting word, just like the a or a. Okay, ungo-ungo nga salida, horror movie. Okay, remember ungo, it's monster. So next, we have di ko uy, hadlok ko ana. Di ko uy, hadlok ko ana. It means no, I won't. No, I'm scared of that. It's like no, I am scared watching horror movie, just like that. Okay. So di, it's no. Ko, it's me or I. Oy is an expression. Hadlok is scared. Ana, it's that. Ana is that. Okay, the last one we have Katalawan sad nimo uy. Katalawan sad nimo uy. You're such a scaredy-cat. Okay, Katalawan, it's a scaredy-cat. Sad is like such. Okay, nimo, it's you. Uy is an expression. Okay, so let's review all these common conversation, guys, and check and test yourself how much you learn from my vocabulary, from my lesson. Okay, so let's start with our test. Mouli ka igka adlaw sa patay? Mouli ka igka adlaw sa patay? Let's kanus-a ka mouli. MANAN-AW ta og ungo-ungo nga salida. Di ko uy, hadlok ko ana. Di ko uy, hadlok ko ana. Katalawan sad nimo uy. Katalawan sad nimo uy. That's all for today, guys. Happy Halloween. And next Wednesday there will be no BWOW because it's November 1. It's this coming weekend. I will be going to Bohol, and we're kind of excited to see Bohol after 12 years. Okay, so thank you so much, and expect a video of our Bohol adventure in the upcoming weeks or upcoming days. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for everything. Bye bye for now.